embarked out on a Boeing 787. It's the aircraft where I think it's the best aircraft since Concorde. I like narrow-bodied, I don't like too big. But I flew with Richard Branson on his inaugural to Atlanta, and this aircraft, the air comes in not through the engine. So it's not baked and you don't get so dehydrated. And it's a little bit more humid, which is better for you, better for your skin and better for your health. And it's such a comfortable airplane to fly on. It really is super and long range. So I think this is what Qantas are going to fly non-stop from London to Perth. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I love the 787.